Verdomme!
Wel, hè. Gewoon naartoe?
Mallorca.
Mallorca. Maar niet thuis vertalen, hè. Hé, Michiel. Michiel, tot de kopelijker zien. Ah, zeer schön. Hier moeten we over, jongens.
Ja, we vertrekken, hè. Normaal.
Die man.
Mijn man.
Puffin.
July 2018.
This is the story of 5 Belgian puffins exploring Iceland by bike. 5 Belgian papegaaiduikers are in the house. We enjoyed a lovely night. Now we are heading to the Alftavatn lake, where Norrie wants to take a hot shower while dreaming of his beautiful girlfriend. Manu could not stay off my hot body, but I don't mind. Michiel is already better now. The scars on his head are gorgeous but really mean. He stopped drinking for it, because it was very dangerous for himself. Fili organized our cool tour, and I mean very cool. But he will always keep us warm during the nights. This is the story of 5 Belgian puffins exploring Iceland by bike.
Fietsjes klaarmaken. Op camping. U kan het uitspreken.
Er weer gebeurd. Ja, dat is warm water. Oh, dat is nat.
Het is niet geval.
We're back on track.
Hier lekker klinken. Kom in de stoel.
Riverside.
Yesterday we pulled off this crazy trip in the snow with our iron horses. Frozen feet, constant smiles and sore asses were part of the game. We had a nice night in the Hut with lots of snoring fat guys and stinky farts. Now we start today's trip, which should not be so hard anymore, we guess. Iceland Bikeland, we love you! The Fellowship of the Puffins. The way to Torsmark is full of danger. Collapsing ice caves, cold rivers forcing you to drown, hot steam escaping everywhere, beautiful skies full of inspiring clouds which make you dreaming crazy at night. Stones transforming into signs guiding you through rocky grey and black deserts, along green puffy carpets, roughly divided by deadly cold blue highways. And hell yeah, there are trees in Iceland.
Ja, maar het is wel een dampen, hè? Ja, dat is met ons hier te leven. Amai. En jongens, lekker. Lekkere Leo-zak. Of is het balzak?
Fuck, we're heading home. Shit, why is adventure so short? I don't know what I'm gonna do back home. Taking cold food baths? Counting sheep? Steam cooking myself? Maybe fixing inner tubes naked? Damn, Iceland is crazy. I'm gonna miss the Brynivit.
Wat zei dan toch zo?
Rijdeukers ontvangen.